My name is Partha Srinivasa. I'm the Chief Data Officer for Verisk, which is one of the largest data and analytics firm in the world. So our primary focus was to get a holistic view of our data so we can get a census of every single related data of the company, all the files and data which are related to that, and all the metadata which are related to that, and also the lineage related to that. How does the data flow? But what we were able to do with data.world, one of the key themes, what we decided as a data company is we wanted to drive the culture of data in the company. So we wanted access to the data to every single employee of the company so they can see what exists in the company. But we wanted to make it easy, not for just the IT guys, but also for sort of the lowest common denominator. So anyone in the company can have access to it. But it's also provided the ability to govern our data, catalog our data, manage our data, and more importantly, collaborate with our data. Now, because of this data immediately available, easily accessible, it actually enables us to launch newer products because we can take this information and do that. Our data scientists are always scouting for new type of data, which they can use in their models. And in the past, this process used to take months to get that information. So now they can basically go online and get this in minutes. We actually call our project, the data.world project as Gateway. And that was a deliberate reason why we came up with the name called Project Gateway, because that is a gateway to entire data ecosystem. So there's a lot of AWS related technology. We obviously have Snowflakes too, Databricks, Oracle and IBM and Microsoft and etc. It's not an IT program, but it was a business program to drive some real business value, which could be growth, speed to market, operational efficiency, reducing our risk, and making sure that we are compliant from our privacy rules, governance, and etc. So like many of us do when we have our browser, what do we have as our homepage for the browser? Very common these days is Google, right? Pretty much everyone has a google.com as their homepage. I don't think the browsers told you to keep google.com. You kept it that way because you felt going to Google is a great way to start and go somewhere else. And our success will be the day when people see data.world as that and go from there to all the different places to launch. I think that will be a great story to say.